The market at midday, a roller coaster ride. The financial markets are experiencing wild fluctuations, much like the ups and downs of a thrilling roller coaster. Investors are holding on tight as they navigate through this turbulent period. Stocks are like a roller coaster today. Prices are soaring one moment and plummeting the next, leaving traders on the edge of their seats. The volatility is palpable, and everyone is trying to predict the next big move. Up and down they go. The market's unpredictable nature is both exciting and nerve-wracking. Each rise brings hope, while each fall brings uncertainty. It's a game of strategy and timing. It's midday, and things are getting interesting. Traders are glued to their screens, analyzing every tick and trend. The atmosphere is electric, filled with anticipation and anxiety. Some companies are making big moves. Let's see why. Dr. Horton, a major player in the construction industry, is seeing significant activity. Their latest earnings report has caught the attention of many investors. Domino's Pizza, a household name in the food delivery sector, is also in the spotlight. Their innovative strategies and strong market presence are driving their stock performance. Infosys and Beyond Meat are some of the big names in the news. Earnings reports are out. Infosys, a tech giant, is making waves with its latest technological advancements and robust financial results. Some companies are doing well, others, not so much. The earnings season is revealing the winners and losers, with some stocks surging and others taking a hit. It's a mixed bag of outcomes. It's all about the Benjamins, folks. At the end of the day, it's the financial gains that matter most. Investors are keenly focused on maximizing their returns and making the most of the market's movements. Investors are trying to make money. They are employing various strategies from day trading to long-term investments, all in the hopes of capitalizing on the market's volatility. They buy stocks they think will go up. It's a calculated risk based on research, trends, and sometimes a bit of gut feeling. The goal is to buy low and sell high. They sell stocks they think will go down. Timing is crucial, and selling at the right moment can make all the difference. It's a delicate balance of intuition and analysis. Let's break down what's happening. We'll dive deeper into the factors driving these market movements, the key players involved, and what it all means for investors. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis. Dr. Horton builds houses. People need houses, but Dr. Horton's stock is down today. What's going on? Well, interest rates are up. That means mortgages are more expensive. People might buy fewer houses. Investors are worried. They are selling Dr. Horton stock. They think the company might not make as much money. It's a tough market for home builders right now. Everybody loves pizza, but Domino's pizza stock is down today. That's not bueno. Domino's says people are ordering less pizza. Maybe they're eating healthier, or maybe they're just tired of pizza. Whatever the reason, it's bad news for Domino's. Investors are selling their stock. They don't think the company will grow as fast as they thought. Time for Domino's to cook up some new ideas. Section 4. Infosys Tech takes a turn. Today we dive into the world of Infosys, a giant in the tech industry. Infosys is a tech company that has been making waves in the industry for years. They specialize in providing cutting-edge technology solutions to businesses around the globe. They help other companies with their computers and software, offering a range of services from consulting to outsourcing. It's a big business that plays a crucial role in the digital transformation of many enterprises. Infosys had good news today, which has caught the attention of investors and market analysts alike. They announced that they earned more money than expected this quarter, surpassing market predictions and setting a new benchmark for their financial performance. They also shared an optimistic outlook for the future, predicting continued growth and expansion. Investors love good news, and this announcement has certainly made waves. As a result, many investors are buying Infosys stock, eager to capitalize on the company's promising future. Analysts believe that Infosys is a solid investment, given its strong financial performance and strategic vision for growth. The technology sector is a hotbed of activity right now, and Infosys is at the forefront. With their innovative solutions and robust financial health, Infosys is truly on fire. Section 5. Beyond Meat, still searching for a Sizzle. The company, known for its innovative plant-based meat alternatives, has been a pioneer in the industry. Beyond Meat makes plant-based burgers and sausages. These products are designed to mimic the taste and texture of real meat, appealing to both vegetarians and meat eaters looking to reduce their meat consumption. It's good for people who don't eat meat. Many consumers appreciate the health benefits and environmental impact of choosing plant-based options. But is it good for investors? The financial performance of Beyond Meat has been under scrutiny. Beyond Meat's stock is down today. The market has reacted negatively to recent earnings reports. The company is losing money. Despite initial hype and strong sales growth, profitability remains elusive, and people aren't buying as many plant-based burgers as they thought. Investors are worried. The demand for plant-based products has not met expectations. They are selling their stock. The lack of confidence in the company's future is evident in the trading activity. They don't think Beyond Meat will be profitable anytime soon. Analysts are concerned about the company's ability to turn a profit in a competitive market. Maybe Beyond Meat needs to go back to the drawing board. The company might need to rethink its strategy, innovate further, and find new ways to attract and retain customers. Section 6. Wrapping up, a mixed bag on Wall Street. So there you have it, a midday market update. Some stocks are up, some stocks are down. It's a roller coaster ride out there. Remember, investing is risky. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And always do your research. There you have it. Stay tuned for more market updates.